Dave here, how are you? Today I'm going to show you my latest version of my Stanton dog locks. These are them here. Now you may remember that my previous models, these guys here, which work really well, but the thing is they are a little bit long. See the same connection point there? These are traveling into my cutting area a little far. Now that's fine for my battery saw, but I found out that the corded saw was actually touching at full depth. So I thought, right, let's try and make the best dog locks in the market better, and I've done it. I went through all sorts of transitions, totally back to the drawing board, and I ended up designing these, and now I'm actually printing them and manufacturing. They work perfectly over on my Stanton bench between dogs, or on this bench if I had dogs set up here, or even a situation where I've got it sitting on a hinged rail. Now there's many different types of hinges on the market for these rails. This is the best that you'll get to hold the other end. It's just beautiful. The big objection that I have to hinge systems in general is that they have a receiving point over here, and it's normally protruding past the bench, and that's a catch point down in this area that I don't want to get caught. They stay in position, they do not slide off, which is another big thing. And as the rail comes down, it's traveling in an arc, so as it comes towards the dog, as it slides down the side of the dog, it just increases the tightness towards the end of the arc. Not going anywhere, it's actually holding the dog against the side of the rail. Okay, let's see it in action. I'm going to lower it down. I've got a couple of dogs there to stop the workpiece moving around. Lower that down there like so. Do you hear it go? And now we'll do the cut. Done. There you go. Triton, Makita, Festool, Dave. Or if you want a set of these, I've got links in the video description down the bottom. They're available USA, Canada, and Australia. Thanks for watching. See you later.